Are you ready to meet the smartphone that might completely change the way we think about Android? Because the upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is shaping up to be the biggest Pixel upgrade ever, and trust me, you'll want to stick till the end, because there's a surprise waiting for those who watch the full video. So imagine this. A phone that combines Google's most advanced AI with a design that feels futuristic, a camera that bends reality, and performance that pushes the limits of what a flagship can do. Sounds exciting, right? Well, let's dive in because the Pixel 11 Pro XL is not just a phone, it's a whole new experience built for the next generation. The moment you pick it up, you'll notice a refined premium design with slimmer curves, a lighter frame, and a ceramic glass blend that not only looks stunning but also improves durability. The display is expected to be a massive 6.9-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 1 to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. And here's where the magic begins. Google's new AI-powered dynamic display system adjusts brightness, contrast, and color tuning based not only on your environment, but also on what you're doing, gaming, watching movies, or browsing. Under the hood, the Pixel 11 Pro XL packs the next-gen Google Tensor G5 chip, designed entirely in-house for the first time, with upgraded AI cores capable of processing real-time background tasks like voice recognition, photo enhancement, app optimization, and even predicting user actions before you make them. And when it comes to battery life, Google is taking things seriously this year. We're expecting a 5,400 mAh battery supported by fast 80W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and new adaptive AI power modes that extend battery life intelligently by learning your patterns, meaning your phone is always ready when you are. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because the Pixel 11 Pro XL is packing heat. A 200MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto camera with up to 12x optical zoom, all enhanced with upgraded computational photography like AI Night Vision 3.0, real-time motion freeze, and cinematic HDR video that automatically stabilizes, color grades, and sharpens footage without losing natural detail. And here's a little suspense. The biggest camera upgrade isn't the hardware, it's Google's new AI Scene Creator, which allows you to modify backgrounds, remove objects, adjust lighting, or even transform an entire photo into different styles with one tap. Performance-wise, the Pixel 11 Pro XL handles gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps effortlessly, thanks to improved thermal cooling and AI-assisted resource allocation. And about the launch date, rumors point toward October 2025, aligning with Google's usual release cycle, and if leaks are accurate, pre-orders might open the same day of the event. But wait, don't go yet, because here's the surprise. Google is rumored to hide a secret AI feature that has not been officially leaked anywhere, an on-device smart assistant capable of generating full videos, images, and documents without internet. If this turns out to be true, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could become the world's first fully offline AI powerhouse. And before we wrap up, here's your moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Get ready because the Pixel 11 Pro XL might just be the phone that changes everything, and if you stayed till the end, you already got the first hint of what Google might be hiding.